Hello and good morning to everyone. So as I have already said that today we will do the discussion on regarding our exercise 6.1 few of the important question. Important question also the questions are of full of interesting also. Okay. So listen. So first question it is given here in this figure it is given that xy and here it is another one it is mn both intersect each other at the point of O. So here in the question it is given that xy line and mn line both of them intersect each other at the point of O. Again it is given that in the figure it is given that this angle it is right angle. It means OP it is perpendicular to xy. It means this angle it is your 90 degree. And again it is given that the ratio between the A angle and B angle. The ratio between the A angle and B angle it is 2:3. So it means it is given, everyone you just have to see A angle is to B angle, it is our 2:3. The ratio of A angle to B angle it is 2:3. It does not mean that A it is your 2 and B it is your 3. Actually it means whenever A it is your 2 parts, at the same time B it will be our 3 parts. Understood or not understood? So for which here I am writing whenever A it is your 2 parts means 2 parts of which number, B it is also 3 parts of that number. A it is the 2 parts of which number, B it is also the 3 parts of the same number. See, as this angle it is 90 degree, this angle it is 90 degree, 100% this angle plus this angle, the sum it is 90 degree. Because everyone knows that the sum of these three angle, it means 1 angle, 2 angle plus 3 angle, it is equal to 90 degree. As this angle 1 angle itself it is 90 degree, it means the sum of 2 and sum of the A and sum of the B, otherwise the 2 angle and 3 angle, their sum it will be our 90 degree. So here I am writing, just see properly, here A plus B it is our 90 degree. A plus B it is our 90 degree. But here it is A it is our 2x, B it is our 3x, which is our 90 degree. It implies 5x it is our 90 degree. As 5x it is our 90 degree, it means x it is our 90 degree divided by 5, which is our 18 degree. So it means finally we got x it is our, finally we got it as the x it is our 18 degree. So as x it is your 18 degree, see clearly here it is A it is your 2x. So it means A it is our 2x means 2 into 18 degree, which is our 36 degree. And B it is our 3x, it means 3 into x means into 18 degree, which is our 54 degree. It means I have already got the value of A and finally I got the measure of A, it is our 36 degree, see carefully, and the measure of a B angle, it is our 54 degree. Then after it is asked that you have to find out the C, here it is the C. So we have to find out the C having a relationship with which one. Everyone you just have to see, carefully. This angle sum it is equal to 180. Why? Because both B angle and C angles are the linear pair angles. Both B angle and C angles are linear pair angles. So for which here I am writing, everyone see. So for which here I am writing B plus C, it is our 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? Because both B and C, both this angle and this angle are our linear pair angles. As you have already known that the B angle measure it is our 54 degree. See, B angle it is our 54 degree plus C it is our 180 degree. It implies we want C which is our 180 degree minus 54 degree and which gives us 126 degree. So it means at the end of the question we got it as the A it is our 36 degree, B it is our 54 degree and C it is our 126 degree. So tell me the question it is easy or difficult? Understood or not understood? See in the next question it is given that here it is one of the triangle it is given, and in the triangle this angle it is same as this angle it is already given. It means PQR angle it is same as PRQ angle. It means this angle it is same as this angle it is given. See in the next question here it is given that one of the triangle it is given, and in this triangle this angle it is same as this angle it is given. It means the angle PQR it is same as the angle PRQ it is given. It means two of the interior angle of the given triangle it is given. It means two of the interior angles are same it is given. It means this angle it is same it is given, and you have to prove that this exterior angle also same as this exterior angle. Two interior angles are same, so for which you just have to show their exterior angles are also same. Listen, before we have to solve it, we are doing the discussion by giving a little example. See, suppose this angle it is our 10, suppose this angle value it is 10, so it means this angle also it will be 10 degree. This one it is 10 degree means this one it will be also 10 degree. Just see one thing, both the angles are our linear pair angles. These two are linear pair angles, also these two are the linear pair angles. As both are our linear pair angles, this one it is 10 means 100%, this one it will be our 170 degree, and this one it is 10 degree means 100%, this one it will be our 170 degree. Understood? So this one it is one of the particular case, but we have to prove this by using our general formula. See, general formula says as both the angles are equal, both the angle measures are equal, suppose this angle it is our x and this angle it is our x. See carefully, it means this angle it is our x, also this angle it is our x. Just like previously this angle it was 10, we got this angle by 180 minus 10. So in the same way, this angle now we can find out by using 180 degree minus x, and this angle we can find out by using the formula, this angle we can find out by using the formula 180 degree minus x. Understood or not understood perfectly? So here finally we got as the two interior angles are equal, so for which their exterior angles are also equal. Understood the proof of this one? Understood the proof of this one or not? See in the next question it is given POR it is a line, POQ it is a line, and OR it is perpendicular on the PQ. OR it is perpendicular on the PQ, and here it is given that OS it is another ray which is in between OP and OR. Then after it is asked, you just have to prove, see carefully, you just have to prove angle ROS. Angle ROS means this angle, see this angle it is equal to half of the angle QOS. Where is the QOS? QOS means half of the QOS minus POS. Where is the POS? So it means from this larger angle to whenever this little angle it is to be subtracted, and their difference whenever divided by 2, it will be same as our ROS. This question many a time comes in the exam. See how to solve this question. Always this question you have to solve from the right side. See, we have to take it as the RHS. See this one, it is very easy question. See, RHS it is given 1 by 2 of QOS minus POS. So it means in your proof you have to follow just like this. But before you have to follow, you have to introduce few of the things. Just see, this one it is 90 degrees, this angle it is 90 degrees. Suppose this one it is your 1, this one it is your 2, this one it is your 3. See, 1 angle, 2 angle plus 3 angle, their sum it is equal to 180 degree. The sum of 1 angle plus 2 angle plus 3 angle, it is your 180 degree, because the sum of the angles formed in one side of a line at a point, it is your 180 degree. So it means sum of 1 angle, 2 angle and 3 angle, it is equal to 180 degree. And as one angle is itself 90 degree, as the one angle is itself 90 degree, so it means 2 angle 2 plus 3, it will be our 90 degree. Understood or not understood? As this one it is itself 90, so sum of the 2 and 3, it will be our 90 degree. See, suppose I am taking this angle, it is our x. All these things what I am saying, you just have to write in the proof. Suppose ROS angle, it is our x. Suppose ROS angle, it is our x. So it means angle 3, it will be our 90 degree minus x. Because the sum of both the angles are our sum of both the angles is our 90 degree, and one suppose it is x, so it means 100%, another it will be our 90 degree minus x. Okay, so it means this angle known, this angle it is known by using the variables, this angle it is also known by using the variable. So let's see 1 by 2. See QOS, see QOS means this angle. Actually this one it is our, see this one it is our 90, and this one I have taken it as the x. So for which 1 and 2 their sum it is 90 degree plus x. Ready? Thereafter I will use the square bracket, it will be better. See, thereafter POS, thereafter minus POS. See, POS means this angle. So this angle value it will be our 90 degree minus x. 90 degree minus x, which implies 1 by 2. So first we have to just open the bracket, 90 degree plus x. On opening the bracket, minus it will enter means the sign of each of the term it will be changed. So this one it becomes our 90 degree minus 90 degree, and this one it becomes our plus x. See, plus 90 and minus 90 it will be cancelled, and here you will update it as the 1 by 2 of x plus x, which becomes our 2x. See, 2 it will be cancelled, which gives us x, and our x means, everyone see, we got the x. X means which angle? ROS. X means ROS. So for which is our angle ROS. So angle ROS means it is our left hand side. So it means we started from the right hand side means RHS, and we have already got it as the LHS. So for which our question has been proved. Understood or not understood? Okay, so these 3 questions you have to see it carefully once again. Once again, if you are facing any difficulties, you are allowed always to contact me. Okay, thank you. Have a beautiful day.